The following is a demonstration on how to sharpen the blade on Reed's Guillotine Cutter.
Hi, this is Jeff Esmont with a tool tip for Reed. We have our guillotine cutter, which we have heavy duty tools that'll do 2-4 all the way up to 12 inches. Most important thing with the guillotine cutter is the blade, keeping it sharp. And one tip we want to give you is how to maintain your blade. It not only extends the life, but it also will extend your quality of cuts.
Caution: the blade edge is extremely sharp. Avoid the edge when handling.
And what you do is you take about a 20-degree angle with a soapstone, and you go 4 times down, flip it over, go 4 times back, and then once more, very, very lightly, and that'll keep you a very sharp point. The key to this, you want to keep your tool sharp. A sharp blade allows you a cleaner cut, a quicker cut, and longer tool life.
For more information on this tool or any of Reed's quality products, visit www.reedmfgco.com.